Today I'm going to show you how to share your Zoom screen with all the other users in the meeting. And in this particular meeting, there's only two people, myself, which is me, and my other self, which is my Reno Computer Tutor. In this scenario, my Reno Computer Tutor wants to see what is on my computer screen so that I can get help with the problems that I'm having. In order to allow them to see my computer screen, I need to share my screen. And to do so, as long as I'm looking at my screen, I don't see any tools. But as soon as I use my mouse and wiggle it even a little bit, you see the toolbar that opens up at the bottom of the screen, where I'm going to click on Share. And upper left-hand corner already has selected Screen, which is precisely what I want. Bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to click the button that says Share. And now my computer screen with that beautiful little background is being shared with the other viewers. When my screen is being shared, I can see a green border around it. So you see at top, bottom, left, and right. Maybe not so much on the bottom, but yeah, it's down there. You also see at the top of the screen toolbar that says I'm sharing my screen. I can click on that and drag it, and I can move it. So if it's in my way, all I have to do is click on it and drag, and it'll move. Okay? When I'm not pointing at it, the tools disappear. But if you hover your mouse pointer up where the toolbar is, the tools come back. And I'm going to have the other user ask for mouse control. So the other user is going to click on the option that says Request Mouse Control. And then this pops up on my screen that I'm sharing. And in order for them to use my mouse and control my screen, I click on Approve. And now the toolbar at the top of the screen, instead of saying that I'm sharing my screen, what it's showing me is that I'm waiting for the other user to control the screen. And they should be doing that now, yeah. So the other user is dragging stuff around, all right? And when you're working with me, I'm going to let you do most of the mouse control. So I'll show you what that will look like. I'm going to pause this, and I'll be right back. When I paused everything so that I could turn off the share for the other computer screen. And I want to show you how you, as the person sharing your screen, can give mouse control to whoever it is that you want in your meeting. Now, keep in mind there's only one other person in this meeting. When I hover my mouse pointer over the toolbar, wherever it happens to be, there's a button that gives me the option for remote control. When I click on that, I can give the mouse control to anyone else in the meeting so that you'll have a full list of everyone in the meeting. I'm going to click on the user that I want to give control to, and now the other person is controlling my screen. And you'll see up in the toolbar there, it does say that Reno Computer Tutor is controlling your screen. Anytime you want to take the control away from them, you can do that by coming up to the toolbar again, clicking on Remote Control, and abort the control. So now they don't have control. And anytime you want to stop sharing your screen, you hit the big red stop light to stop sharing your screen, and it goes back into the regular view of Zoom, where you're just looking at each other's faces. And that would wrap up how to share your screen and give up mouse control. Thanks. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. I'll get back with you. Thanks.